Hello everyone, today's menu will be pumpkin enchiladas. This delicious Mexican dish is full of flavors that everyone will love. It's a perfect weeknight meal. So, if you're ready, let's get baking. To preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then here I have a piece of foil. I'm going to place the corn tortillas, and then I'm going to wrap it up. And then this goes into the oven for a couple minutes until softened. And then in my small blender, I'm just pouring in the pumpkin puree. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit of some chicken broth. Since I have a small blender, I'm just going to pour half cup. And then here I have some jalapeños. And I left the seeds in, but if you don't care for spice, then you can go ahead and just remove it. And then 3 garlics. And then here I have some chili powder and some oregano. And then here I have some salt and black pepper. Then I'm just going to close it up. And then I'm just going to set this aside until ready to use. Over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in the beef and then breaking it up a little bit. And then now I'm going to add in the onions and combine them well. And then I'm also going to cook it for about 8 minutes or until the meat is browned and the onions are softened. After it's cooked, I'm going to add in some salt and black pepper. And then just give another stir to combine and cook for another 30 seconds. And then you'll want to drain, and then I'm going to add in the sour cream. You can also use plain yogurt instead. And then just going to give another mix to combine everything well and then cook for another minute. In my casserole dish, I'm going to pour in the enchilada sauce. And this is half cup, just going to spread them. Okay, just going to place a tortilla in the center. And I'm going to fill them up right into the middle. You can put as much or as little as you would like. And then I'm just going to roll it up. And then with the same side, I'm just going to place it down. Just going to place it in the middle. And then I did cook the tortillas for about 10 minutes. And then I'm just going to repeat the process until I have my first layer on the bottom. Okay, and then this is the last of it. And then if you have any meat left over, you can just pour right on top of the tortillas, or you could just save it for another meal. And then since I have some left over, and I'm going to pour them, just everything that I have left, just all the meat mixture, just right on top. Just gonna grab something, just kind of spread them out a little bit. And you don't have to do this part. You can just leave it as is and pour the sauce over it, but I'm just doing this because I love extra meats. Okay, that looks good. And then with the sauce that we made earlier, I'm just going to pour them just all over the top. And I'm just going to go in, just kind of spread them out a little bit. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm going to top it off with some good old cheese. And I did use 2 kinds of cheese. This is mozzarella and cheddar, but you can use whichever cheese that you like. Okay, now this is going to go into the oven for about 30-35 minutes. Here is the end result of the pumpkin enchiladas. And now for the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay. I do have some sour cream on top, and I'm going to get some of the sour cream. Okay, here we go. And then without the sour cream. Guys, everything was so delicious. You know, all the flavors and everything was on point. Everything was perfect. So if you guys like to give this recipe a try, the measurement will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi.